Bye, honeybee.
Bye, darling.
Bye. So today is my first day of work after holiday. After 5 weeks of holiday. Huh?
You got many days now. No holidays left.
No holidays left. No, I still have few, but unti na lang yung holiday na natitira. Anyway, I don't mind. No choice. So magdadrive muna ako mga loves. Going to work. Dala ko na yung pasalubong ng para sa mga katrabaho ko. It seems very hard work walking to work. Ay, nako mga loves. Inamin ko, tinatamad akong pumasok. But then, wala tayong choice kasi kailangan kong bumalik sa trabaho. Kasi 5 weeks is a long time to be off at work really. But, back to reality. I'll see you later, ha? Another working day and update mga palangga nung first day ko kasi dinala ko yung pasalubong ko sa mga katrabaho ko. They really love the pastillas, yung butterscotch with cashew, yung banana chips. I think majority of it, they like it. Or I don't know if they're just being polite and say they like it. But yeah, naubos agad. So I'm glad na nagdala ako. Kasi talaga, nag-worry ako na baka sobrang sweet sa kanila. Baka hindi nila magustuhan. But yeah, it went down well. And of course, madami din ako mga katrabaho na Pilipino. Kaya it's probably majority of them, they're the one who eats it. But hindi ko talaga nakita physically ba na kumain yung mga puti. Pero may mga puti na nag-compliment talaga na masarap daw. So I'm pretty sure naman talaga yung mga puti, hindi naman yan nag-sugar coat. Kung hindi nila gusto, they will tell you naman. Kaya yeah, confident ako na they like it. Anyway, so papasok na ulit ako mga loves. I'll see you later na lang, ha? Bye! Tingnan niyo naman, oh. I just arrived from work.
So sweet.
Where did you get all this apple?
There's loads more yet. You want to see their Bramley apples? They've got 3 trees.
I'll have this.
They're absolutely...
Bramley apple?
Bramley. They're not ready yet though.
So,
They're ready
my
early.
goodness mga loves. Bigay ng kaibigan namin. That's plenty. Can you eat all of them? Can you eat all of them?
They'll be making apple sauce with me. It's really sweet apple sauce.
When did you go?
I went just before because I went to borrow his thing for concrete for cutting holes.
Oh yeah, look.
What are you looking at? No, see that?
Oh, there's nothing.
No.
Oh, okay.
I've been putting gutters on outside.
Yeah, I've noticed a gutter outside, but
Oh, you know.
yeah.
Done the one of the conservatory now. It's fastened now, and I've just been drilling through. I put a pilot hole through, but I needed the drill, you see. So it's a big hole, you see. Plus, I've been to obviously went to.
I see. Anyway, kakadating ko lang galing sa trabaho.
Oh, look at me.
Kasama tayo kay Mr. sa truck niya kasi dadaan ako sa post office.
Ready, Belle?
The field is growing green, Han. Ano? Yan. It's growing. Yung mga namin, yung kapitbahay, nagtataka ko ano yung ginagawa nila dito noon. Kala nila magtatayo kami ng resort, char. Yung iba hindi talaga makatiis at nagtanong talaga sa amin kung ano yung ginagawa namin. Isn't it, Han?
What's that?
Our neighbor was so curious, and some of them, they're asking what we're going to do with our field.
Oh yeah.
What they're doing in there?
Putting new ducting in for the internet.
Ah, okay.
Because Graham wrecked it, didn't they, with Digger?
Ah, no. Oh no, tingnan niyo yung kapitbahay namin. Nag-i-spray. Mabaho na naman yung paligid namin. No. Ganito talaga mga loves pag farmer yung kapitbahay mo, wala kang magagawa. Yung smell naman, it doesn't take long naman na mawala. Pero yung initial talaga, ay nako, sobrang baho. Nagkukay na naman si Jan. I don't know kung ano yung ginagawa niya mga loves, pero siya yung nakakaalam dyan. Anyway, mag-harvest tayo ng kalamansi. Kasi, ang daming hinog sa ating kalamansi. Ito, oh. Ito. Ang bango-bango talaga. Lagay muna natin sila dyan. Uy! Nahulog. Bango-bango naman. Gagawa tayo ng calamansi juice. Fresh from the garden. So ito lahat yung harvest natin. Tara, gawin natin tong calamansi juice. Sana kumuha din tayo ng ng mag-clean pa kasi pag ganito kasing sobrang yellow na wala na masyadong juice yung laman. Yan, puros halos na lang sa kanya. Seeds. Parang halos natuyo na siya ba? Ay! Ay, naku naman. Grabe naman. Sobrang kaunti lang yung nakuha natin, pero try natin. Kuha tayo ng tubig dito. Tikman natin kung maasim pa ba, kasi kung maasim pa, lalagyan natin ng more tubig and kaunting asukal. Hindi na nga maasim. Pero lalagyan natin ng kaunting asukal. Sa amin, ang daming kalamansi. Hindi ko talaga na-isip magkalamansi juice. Nabanggit ko pa naman yun na kung gusto mo magkalamansi, pero at that time hindi ako hindi ko talaga iniisip. Gusto ko magkalamansi juice. Ano lang sa kanya, daming seeds. Tapos Tingnan natin kung ano yung ginawa talaga ni Mr. Oh no! Mag-a-bridge. Where is this water coming from, hon? Where is this water coming from? From the ground? Oh wow! So, ito yung commotion at this moment. Yung lemongrass natin, hindi pa siya masyadong established. Pero sorry, lemongrass, ba't kailangan kitang kunan? Kasi ako ng pork. Magro-roast ako ng pork. I need scissors. Sana hindi mamatay, no? Tatlong tangkay lang kasi baka mamatay na to. Yan lang. Ay, one more na nga lang. Sorry na, sorry. One more. Sana hindi sila magtampo sa akin ba.